Guys, swimming na dito guys, oh. Dami ng tubig guys. Oh. Swimming na, swimming. Tingal. Oh, sila gustong mag-swimming dyan, i-message nyo ako ha. Dito lang to sa Maria Luisa. May mga event. Gaya nito, event yan kahapon. Ay, kagabi pala. Yan, may free swimming pool. And may bubong yan guys. Yan, free swimming pool sa gusto ha. Inquire lang kayo sa akin kung magkano. Yan, maraming salamat guys sa panonood. O, diba?